All right, folks, Monday's here. We're kicking off this last trading day of the month, and it's been a wild one. Last week, markets were a bit mixed. Futures heading into this morning are trading lower. S&P's down just over 7% on the month, so this is shaping up to be the worst month that we've seen in the broader stock market since March of 2020 when this pandemic kicked off. So a lot of pressure on these markets right now. We've got another big week on tap, more earnings due out, some big ones like Amazon, Alphabet, and such, so some big tech names. We also have December jobs report coming out on Friday. Big economic data. Got some Fed governors speaking today. A lot going on this week. So it's going to be another wild ride in the market. Strap in. Let's trade some price action. Again, markets heading into the open this morning, trading lower. Oil trading just above $86 a barrel. And FX, we're seeing that dollar at 18-month highs. All right, folks, let's go get some. I'll see you again tomorrow.